I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your Twitter account has been suspended, don't worry, there are steps you can take to recover it. Step 1. Understand the reason for suspension. Before you can recover your account, you need to know why it was suspended. Twitter usually sends an email explaining the reason, which could be due to spam, abusive behavior, or other violations. Step 2. Visit the Twitter Help Center. Go to the Twitter Help Center and navigate to the section for suspended accounts. This is where you can find the necessary forms and information to start the recovery process. Step 3. Submit an appeal. Fill out the appeal form provided by Twitter. Be honest and provide any relevant information that can help your case. Make sure to explain why you believe your account should be restored. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient. Twitter may take several days to review your case and respond. Check your email regularly for updates from Twitter regarding your account status. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you don't hear back within a week, consider following up with Twitter support. Sometimes, appeals can get lost in the shuffle, and a gentle reminder can help. Recovering a suspended Twitter account can take time, but by following these steps, you increase your chances of getting back on the platform. Good luck, and I hope to see you tweeting again soon.